Want to start a business in education, but don't have a huge budget? Here are 10 AI-powered business ideas in education that you can launch for under $1,000. No teaching degree required. Number 1. Personalized AI tutoring platform. Use tools like ChatGPT or Tutor AI to build a niche tutoring service. Think math for teens, grammar for ESL learners, or coding for beginners. You don't need to teach. The AI handles the heavy lifting. Number 2. AI flashcard app for exams. Use tools like Anki or Quizlet with AI-generated content to create flashcard sets for popular exams like the SAT, GRE, IELTS, or nursing school. Sell access to premium decks or offer a monthly membership. Number 3. Automated essay feedback service. Use ChatGPT, Grammarly, and plagiarism tools to give students instant feedback on essays and assignments. Market it to non-native English speakers or college applicants. Number 4. Niche micro course creator. Use AI to build mini courses on topics like study skills, productivity hacks, or crash courses in Shakespeare. Host them on Gumroad or Teachable. Low cost, big reach. Want to launch any of these ideas the right way? Head over to engineshark.com, the all-in-one business launchpad. From your logo, website, and brand setup to content, email, and legal registration, they handle everything you need to go from zero to live. Whether you're launching an AI tutoring site or building an education platform, EngineShark makes it fast, affordable, and professional. Hit the link in the description to get started. Number 5. Study Plan Generator. Create a site or tool that offers AI-generated study plans based on a user's goals and deadlines. Great for exam prep or students who need structure. Number 6. AI-powered language learning buddy. Use ChatGPT to create a virtual conversation partner. Offer daily prompts or voice chats for travelers, expats, or language learners worldwide. Number 7. Homework help and answer bot. Use AI to build a subject-specific help bot for biology, chemistry, accounting, or more. Offer access through Discord, WhatsApp, or Telegram. Number 8. AI resume and cover letter builder for students. Help grads craft job-ready resumes and cover letters using AI. You can even package it with mock interviews and job search tips. Number 9. AI parent dashboard for learning progress. Build a tool that summarizes a child's strengths, weaknesses, and trends using AI. Perfect for tutors, learning centers, or homeschool parents. Number 10. Children's book creator using AI. Use AI to generate personalized storybooks that teach reading, morals, or math. Sell them as digital downloads or offer printed books on demand. Education is changing fast, and AI is leading the way. If you're ready to build something impactful for under $1,000, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And visit engineshark.com to get your business online today.